If your Steam games are not showing in your library, don't worry. This is usually a simple fix. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common reasons your games disappear and show you exactly how to get them back fast. We'll cover hidden filters, the wrong account issue, and a quick Steam refresh trick that often fixes syncing problems. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming fixes. Let's jump right in. First, go to your Steam library. This is where your games should normally appear, but if something is missing, the first thing to check is the filter bar at the top. Make sure it is set to all games. Sometimes Steam filters your library without you realizing it, and that can make it look like your games are gone when they're really just hidden from view. Next, check the hidden category. This is another very common reason games seem to disappear. To do that, go up to View, then click Hidden Games. If you see the game there, right-click on it, choose Manage, and then remove it from Hidden Games. Once you do that, it should return to your main library list. This step solves the issue for a lot of users, especially if a game was hidden accidentally. If your game still isn't showing, the next thing to check is the correct Steam account. Click your profile name and make sure you're signed into the account that actually owns the game. This is important because Steam libraries are tied to the account you purchased the game on. If you're logged into a different account, the game won't appear. If it's on another account, it could also have been refunded or removed from the library, so it's worth confirming before moving on. Now let's do a quick refresh of Steam because sometimes the library just doesn't load properly due to a sync issue. At the top left, click Steam, then go offline. After that, switch back to online mode. This forces Steam to refresh the library and reconnect to the server. In many cases, this simple restart of the connection brings missing games back immediately. If it still isn't showing, the issue may be on Steam's side or a temporary server sync problem. In that case, wait a few minutes and restart Steam completely. Close the app fully, reopen it, and check your library again. A fresh restart often resolves delayed syncing or loading problems that can cause games to vanish from the list. So to recap, if Steam games are not showing in your library, first set the filter to all games and check hidden games. Then confirm you're on the correct account. After that, refresh Steam by going offline and back online, and if needed, wait a few minutes and restart the app. One of these steps usually fixes the issue. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe. It really supports the channel and helps you find more quick Steam tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.